Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of more watch faces to check out by my man Friss. He's been doing an awesome job on these animated watch faces. So stay tuned. The review is coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we do have an awesome watch face by Friss in Motion, and this guy has been doing a great job on these animated watch faces. This one here definitely is no exception. Now, the name of the watch face is called HR Plus Personal Health Assistant. It is a 24-hour watch face and it is animated, as you can see. Now in always on mode, you're gonna get the same look. It's pretty much just gonna be dimmed down, but once it's on, you get all the animation you could ever want out of a watch face. Now up at the top, you will get info on your heart rate, your steps, and your step goal completed. You come down, you got a graph. You also get a nice heart beating and animation, and as it turns around. And I thought definitely this was a good look. Now you do get your power info right there, and you want to get a digital time down at the bottom, and it's going to give you info on miles walked or ran and your calories burned. So I thought this was a good look, and you can tap on the heart and it will take you into your heart rate information. Same thing with your steps, calories burned, things of that nature. So I thought this was a good, different, but unique look. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Number 2 is called Health Monitor MD Winter. It is a 24-hour watch face and it is animated. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same design. It does look good though, right? Now, once it's on, everything is active. At the top, you'll get your month and your date. You get a digital time right up under it, very legible. I love that. And also to the left of that, you're going to get info on your body and its heart rate. I like that look. It gives it some realism to the watch face, right? Also, you get a graph that's showing like your heart beating, and it has a red heart that beats and gives you the information of where your heart rate is. Now, if you come down, you can see your power information. You also get your steps, calories burned, and floors climbed right down there at the bottom, which isn't a bad look at all. And it is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can go ahead and put how much coffee I had, if I can tap on it properly. And if I tap down at the bottom, I can get my step info and my calories burned. Of course, if I tap on this, I can get my heart rate. So I'm thinking overall, for those of you all who are into exercising, this is definitely a great watch face to have on your run, or whether you're exercising in the gym. I'm thinking this is a real good look, but at the end of the day, it's up to you. What do you think? Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you'd like to review, hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more like this, then subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos. And again, as always, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.